Up next, our friends from Cheeses of Europe decided to give us a couple of recipes with their Chef Robert Ramsey, for National Grilled Cheese Day coming up on April 12th. Check it out.
Hey folks, Chef Robert Ramsey here. This week, we've got National Grilled Cheese Day coming up on April 12th. In honor of that, we're making some great twists on old classic sandwiches, and we're using recipes from the Cheeses of Europe. Whether you're looking for a comforting meal or a sophisticated upgrade, we've got a couple recipes for you today and many more on the app. If you download the Cheeses of Europe app, you'll be able to find local retailers who are going to have the cheeses for you. We're going to find all these recipes that we're making today, and the app will even pronounce the names of the cheeses for you. So let's get cooking. So the first sandwich we're going to be making is called the French onion. And this is kind of like a play on French onion soup in sandwich form. So we're going to be taking beautiful, deeply caramelized onions, nice sauteed mushrooms, and we're going to be serving them on a grilled cheese sandwich with this really nice French Alpine cheese called Comté. Okay, Comté is a really nice hard cheese. It's got a good nutty flavor, and it's a really perfect balance for the sweetness of the caramelized onions and the earthy mushrooms. So the first tip I have for you when you're putting this sandwich together is we want to go ahead and butter the bread and not the pan. And the reason for this is the butter will burn easily in a hot sauté pan. We're going to use a really nice French butter here, and we're just going to spread it all across the bread. Okay? Gentle sizzle there, that's perfect, that's what we're looking for. And again, we're using Comté, but I've actually gone ahead and grated some of this cheese ahead of time, and the reason for that is that it's going to melt a lot more evenly if we grate or chop the cheese ahead, so that it has a lot more surface area in the cooking process. Alright guys, so our sandwich is halfway there. We're going to go ahead and flip this over, and we're looking for that nice, beautiful golden brown color. Again, medium-low heat here. We don't want to go crazy with it so that we get that really beautiful browning on the buttered bread there. And guys, this smells incredible. Alright. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Beautiful, beautiful sandwich. The grown-up version, so when you're making those grilled cheese sandwiches for your kids that are home from school, go ahead and make this version for yourself. Alright, so today's featured cheese is Fourme d'Albert, which is a blue cheese that's been around in France forever. Alright, and it's going to be the featured ingredient in our grilled cheese today. So we have the Fourme d'Albert, and we're going to be layering it with really nice smoky bacon, and for some sweetness to balance everything out, fig jam. So this is a great combination of flavors, so let's get right to it. We're just gonna put a couple slices of this cheese right on the sandwich. One of the things about using a soft cheese like Fourme d'Albert is that we really don't need to grate it ahead of time. It's a really nice, melty cheese that's gonna get really creamy really quickly. Alright, now this guy's going to cook for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side over a nice medium to medium-low heat. Alright guys, this sandwich is almost ready, and it is looking and smelling fantastic. So remember here, we've got a really nice, mild blue cheese that really balances well with smokiness from the bacon, sweetness from the fig jam, a little sourness from the bread. This is a perfect combination for a really grown-up grilled cheese. Let's go ahead and taste it. Alright, so we've got that nice golden brown crust, nice and melty and gooey in the middle. Let's cut into this thing. Oh yeah, that looks incredible. Ooey, gooey, and delicious. Oh. That is good right there.